World Global Network introduces the revolutionary space computer and space class.
Imagine if at the beginning of the smartphone revolution, the company behind the most innovative device, a device that broke new ground in both functionality and user experience. Imagine if that company came to you and said, "We want you to help us market and sell our device for us." What would you have done? Now, remember, this was at a time when most people were walking around with flip phones that didn't even get email. So a phone that worked more like a mobile computer was a revolutionary, even radical idea. Maybe you would have been visionary enough to see the writing on the wall. Perhaps you would have done the research and recognized that one day, smartphones would become nearly ubiquitous. But unless you were a mobile phone store or some kind of big box retailer, what could you do about it? Well, imagine if at that exact moment, with a marketplace set to explode, you were offered to be one of the first to experience that device, share it with your friends in the world, and even build a business around it. Would you have done it? Well, if you had, you would have been a financial participant in one of the largest, fastest adoptions of a technology in history. Just imagine where you'd be today. The success you could have achieved would have given you financial freedom and the ability to live what we call the wow lifestyle. Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? Well, that is exactly what we are offering today. The chance to be a part of the next great phase of technology innovation, wearable technology. World Global Network is an international media and technology company with offices in Miami, London, Moscow, Dublin, Singapore, Naples, and Shenzhen, China. In just 3 years, WGN has grown into a $150 million a year global business, developing, manufacturing, and marketing pioneering technologies ranging from cutting-edge mobile devices and services to revolutionary renewable energy solutions. But World Global Network didn't stop innovating there. They also recognized they needed to innovate the way technology products are marketed. They considered every method and business model. But in the end, the founders of the company recognized that direct sales was the best way to sell an innovative technology. And here's why. You see, with most technology innovations, only the group of consumers commonly referred to as early adopters will buy a product at the beginning of its release. But that amounts to only about 16% of the marketplace. How do you cross the chasm between early adopters and the rest of the market? Well, according to Everett Rogers and his diffusion of innovation theory, the vast majority of consumers require what he called social proof before embracing a technology innovation. What is social proof? That simply means they want to hear what someone who has used the product thinks about it. And there is no business model more effective at empowering people to spread the word than direct sales. So World Global Network launched their direct sales model in over 100 countries around the world. And in just 3 short years, they have grown to over 300,000 affiliates. And not only have they generated significant revenues for the company, they have provided life-changing supplemental income for thousands and thousands of people. And now World Global Network is bringing their extraordinary business to America. Why did World Global Network wait 3 years to launch in the United States? The answer is simply this. They wanted to be ready. The founders of the company knew that to launch in America, they needed a strong financial foundation, they needed the proper support infrastructure, and they needed a proven direct sales compensation plan. And of course, they also needed the right products. Fabio Galdi, World Global Network's founder, chairman, and CEO, and the creator of the first touchscreen personal computer to be introduced in the marketplace all the way back in 1995, has spent the last several years and millions of dollars developing what he saw as the next great technology innovation. Wearable technology. Just like at the beginning of the smartphone revolution, the wearable technology sector is poised for explosive growth. In fact, according to reports, wearable tech is growing even faster than the smartphone market did. Think about that. That is why this is such a special moment. Unlike in the past, when technology innovators simply wanted you to buy their revolutionary products, World Global Network is giving you visionary pioneers, the opportunity to share in the success of this revolution. And with the space system of products, World Global Network will not only revolutionize the technology market, it just might revolutionize your life. During this initial phase, as World Global Network puts all the final pieces in place for the American launch, they are allowing individuals to become an affiliate at special pre-launch pricing. Joining the pre-launch now gives you an early position in the company and the ability to be the first to experience the space system of products. So let's go through the products. World Global Network's initial American launch will be based around the Space System. Space System is a collection of applications and services that are designed to connect, communicate, and collaborate. The Space VoIP app offers unlimited calling, video chat, and file transfer services. Space Meet is a video conferencing platform. It allows you to share your documents, share YouTube videos, share your desktop. You can have up to 500 guests per conference and 32 video guests. You can also do file sharing. Space Works includes premium email, cloud storage solutions ranging from 10 gigabytes to unlimited data storage, and powerful task planner software. And then there's Space Wireless, a 4G voice, data, and text plan on the fastest 4G network in America, which also includes low-cost international calling to 100 countries. This service can be used with world's own 4G phone or any other phone using the Space Wireless SIM card. And coming soon, World Global Network will launch the Space Media Entertainment Portal, delivering major studio, film, and television content, ebooks, educational materials, and games. There are direct sales companies all over the world that are literally making billions of dollars a year selling just one of the applications and services contained within the space system, but you will get to sell them all. Now that's pretty exciting, but there's more. You see, all of this leads up to the launch of the revolutionary Space Wearable Computer System. It starts with the Space Computer. It's the size of a deck of cards, and with its uncompromising octa-core CPU, it is more powerful than most laptop computers. It has USB, video, and audio out ports, and it is 4G, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth enabled. But perhaps the most exciting part, the part that will make everyone say, wow, is the Space Lumina display. Imagine putting on a pair of sleek Italian-designed glasses and being able to view and operate your space computer, use the space system of apps, watch HD quality films and TV shows, all while listening to theater quality 3D sound. And you can do all of this in complete privacy, whether you're sitting next to someone on a train or an airplane, or laying next to your husband or wife in bed. The Space Lumina display gives you an unparalleled personal viewing experience. And the Space Lumina display is loaded with revolutionary patent-pending technology, like the function that allows you to scale the viewing experience based on your focal point. We call it infinity vision. Okay, imagine this. You're watching one of your favorite movies with your Lumina display in your bedroom. What you see is the equivalent of a 48-inch HD screen. But walk over to the window and look at the building across the street, and the screen adjusts to an image 3 stories high, in perfect HD quality. What person wouldn't look at that and say, wow? So that's World Global Network and their revolutionary space system. To be offered the chance to be a part of an explosive growth market by a company that is financially stable, with a proven and lucrative compensation plan that has already created several of the top 200 direct sales income earners in the world, with an offering of products that will make everyone who sees them say, wow, is an opportunity second to none. So, if you're a visionary, if you're someone who desires to have the long-term supplemental income or even the true financial independence that comes from being a pioneer in technology, and if you want to do all of that with a proven, stable company that shatters the stereotypes of direct sales, then World Global Network is for you. Click the sign up button to see how you can become a part of the business of wow.
It's time for another revolution.